loves, coming at you guys with an everyday makeup tutorial. Woo! I will be using my Mercier Flawless Luminaire foundation. Since I got much darker in Jamaica, I have to actually mix this. This is the color Hazelnut, and I'll be mixing with my Born This Way concealer in the color Cocoa. You hear the birds chirping? You're so beautiful. Beautiful spring day. I'm in a great mood. Just gonna mix all of this together. Shade that'll match me. After that's blended out, I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my face. Majorly needed because my forehead is huge. So I'm using the Cocoa. And then contouring my cheeks. Blending everything out. Randomly have coconut oil on the back of my head. Blending all of this contour out. Now to add light back to my face, I am going to conceal. I'll be using Butterscotch Born This Way concealer as well as the Mercier Flawless Fusion concealer. This is in the color Butterscotch and this is the color 5 N as in Nancy. If you guys want to see a thorough concealer video from me, I showed how I cover my deep set eyes. I'll leave that link in one of these corners right here. But it's for anybody who suffers from deep set eyes like myself. I just put concealer on my nose because it adds dimension. I do not actually contour my nose, but the brightness of this actually like makes your face not look so flat. So that's why I add concealer to the top of my nose. Ain't no contouring noses here, okay? None of that. I'll blend this out. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and set with my Banana Banai powder. Making sure you focus on those creases so that you don't crease. And then down the bridge of my nose. Oh. Then any remaining powder, I'm just gonna push in with my brush. Almost like a kabuki. As dense as a kabuki. Then you guys, I'm super excited. I've been using this Makiage brow pen in the color black, and it is officially my new favorite brow product. It has a super fine tip, which allows me to be very precise. I'm just gonna set my brows in place with the Benefit Brow Setter. Just for a little color, I'll be going in with Toxic, which is a mineral baked blush. I'm just gonna go very lightly because this is super pigmented. And hit the balls of my cheek. Just for a little color. This is from Makiage as well, and I love it. You see that? It's a subtle orange, but it brings color back to your face as well as dimension. Now I'm just gonna go in again using my 202 blending brush, also from Makiage. I'm gonna be going in with this Gold Star highlighting dust. Because it's pretty gold. It's very, very, very pigmented. So a little goes a long way. You guys know I love my inner tear duct color, and since I'm wearing my blonde wig, I feel like this will look perfect with it. Whew. And then for lips, I think I'm just gonna go subtle today, and I'm just gonna go in with the Makiage lip gloss in the color Natural. And obviously this is just a clear gloss. Now I'm just gonna spray my face to lock everything in. And this is my final face. Everyday makeup for an everyday person like myself. I'm super in love with the Makiage brow pen, y'all. It gets me so hyped, but I love their products. Look at my face. Okay, I'm so annoying.